Ever wanted to make your own video game but felt totally lost on where to start? You're not alone. Most people think game development is way too complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Let's get started. Hey everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll learn how to create a simple Pac Man game using Scratch. Let's dive in. First, let's create Pac Man. Click on the Choose a Sprite button and select the Paint option to design your own character. Use the Circle tool to draw a yellow circle. Then, take the Eraser tool and remove a slice to make the iconic Pac Man mouth. To animate Pac Man, create a second costume with the mouth slightly closed. This will give him a chomping effect when he moves. You can do this by duplicating the first costume and adjusting the Eraser tool. Looks good! Pac Man is ready. Let's move to the background. Now, let's design the maze where Pac Man will move around. Click on the Backdrops tab and use the Line tool to draw the walls of your maze. Keep it simple to start. Just add some paths and barriers. Make sure there are enough open spaces for Pac Man and the ghost to navigate. Also, choose a distinct color for the walls, for example blue, so we can use it later for collision detection. Next, we need the ghosts. Click on Paint and draw the ghost. You can rename it to something fun, like Blinky or Pinky. Resize the ghost so it fits nicely in the maze. To make the game more fun, you can even add multiple ghosts later. But for now, let's start with one. Finally, let's add the dots for Pac Man to eat. Click on Paint New Sprite and use the Circle tool to create a small dot. I'm making mine white to stand out against the background. Now duplicate the dots and spread them across the maze to give Pac Man something to collect. And there you have it! We've set up Pac Man, created a maze, added ghosts, and placed dots for him to collect. In the next video, we'll program Pac Man's movement and add some fun animations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss part 2. See you soon!